Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Curtis Fillers, and today is Saturday, November the 2nd, 2019. And today I'm going to do a video on Crypto Pros. It's a business I've been in for a couple days now. Um, if any of you all remember back in the day, it's been quite a few years now since we have what we used to call rev shares. This is probably the closest thing to a rev share that we got going now, and it's actually an excellent business, great business. Let me show you how this works. Um, it's very low ticket. Low ticket. It only costs $2 for an ad pack, $2. And some of the great things about this is you can. Let's see if anyone's in here. You can pay it forward people inside the system. They don't even have to be someone you referred. So if I refer somebody, if they come in as free, they'll come in under me as free and they will remain under me for 14 days. After 14 days, if I haven't paid them in yet for $2 or if I haven't done it or if they haven't themselves done it after 14 days, they come out to the list. It's a PIF free member list. Let's see if anybody's on here. Here we go. There actually is somebody here. And they will be out here for anyone to purchase for $2. Right now, if I hit this, are you sure you want to pay it forward? If I paid $2 right now, hit yes, and it would go through, I would be his sponsor. And at that point, he would come under me. And in this business, in Crypto Pros, you make 100% of what the person you referred does. So if he comes in here and buys $100 worth of ad packs, I make exactly what he makes on my direct referrals. So there's so far I've pipped in a few people. I've got like three referrals right now, direct referrals. And let's see, here's my matrix downline right now. Here's my ad pack. I got 9 ad packs. Here's my 11 positions on level 3. And you click right here and it'll show you everything. I mean, it's pretty amazing. It takes a little while to get used to since we're kind of new at this. These are some referrals. And but the best thing of all, the money you can make from this is absolutely outstanding. But the great thing is, when you buy just one ad pack, $2, you get a text ad, any text ad, you make up your text ad, you get a text ad and a banner ad, unlimited. You've got that for 14 days, unlimited. Let me show you some of what I've got here. And they're very simple to do, also very simple. Here's some of mine here for text ads. Just put you a title, gets approved very quick. Views, clicks, impressions, expiry. And then right here, let's just say my time's almost up. Right here. Somewhere, I think it's the other page. Yeah, the other side, it tells you when your time's up. If you want to just keep it just the same, it's doing very well for you, you just click reuse and your time starts all over again. Yeah, here we go. Wednesday the 6th. I've got to do something with this. I'll probably just hit reuse because it's doing pretty good. And this is the same with the banner ads. Right here, yeah. Same kind of format. But like I said, the more ad packs you have, the more text ads you can put up. And there's people in here with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ad packs, and they've got hundreds and hundreds of text ads. So they're trying to dominate the page here with their advertisement. And I'm really loving this business here. I really am. Um, Let me show you something else that we've got. We've got our own Facebook group right here, Crypto Pros Official Group. And this was put out the other day. And this is a strategy I'm doing. And I've passed it on to the people that are under me now. All you need is two people to do this with you. And just say one of them didn't do it and the other one did do it, and just do everything in half. Um, this is still a great strategy, no matter how it works out in the end for you. And here it is. All you need to do is buy one $2 ad pack per week. When I first started, I started out buying, I bought 7 straight off the bat. And then what we've been doing in the group is on Friday, we do it on Friday. You can do it anytime you want to. We call it Bronze Friday because it's the bronze downline. 20 weeks, you find 2 people who will do exactly the same thing. The potential results are as follows. At 4 weeks, if all 3 of you purchase a $2 ad pack on Friday or whatever day of the week, just once a week, $2, be making 17 cents a week. Pretty boring, I know. 8 weeks, all of you will be you'll be making 11.52 per week. Still a little boring. At 12 weeks, this is what it's up to: 184 per week. 16 weeks, almost 3,000 a week. 17 weeks, 1 week later, it's already up to almost 5,900. 18 weeks, 11,700. 19 weeks, 23,500. At 20 weeks, $47,000 per week on that ad packs. Even if you're a 90% failure, you're still looking at $4,750 per week. And this doesn't count the sponsoring bonus that just happens to be 100%. So when you, like I was telling you, when you sponsor somebody, what they do, you get 100% of what they do also. So do your own math. What would happen if you found more than 2 people, 4, 5, or even more people that did this? So out of all the people you'll have in your downline, because for $2, heck, you can buy your downline. You can almost buy your own downline because you can piff everybody in. So in a way, you kind of bind your downline. So if you pay it forward, and then inside here, you can also do this purchase wallet here. Let's just say I piff somebody in, and that same person just don't have no money for whatever reason. I can still every Friday transfer funds, $2 to each of these other 2 people's. I could pay my way to do this if I wanted to. I could transfer funds to them to do this each week. That's how easy this is. But it's not going to be a problem getting people in your downline. I mean, it's $2. And even if you picked them in originally, a lot of them are going to get with the program. You get them in the Facebook group and they'll see what's going on, and they're going to start adding their sales. I mean, even if you did it yourself, $2. I mean, if I did it for somebody else every week, that's $4 a week. Big deal. So let me see what else. There's just so much to tell you about on here. I wanted to at least get this video out today, and we got marketing material where if you can you go other places and share this. We got banners, email swipe. Not much, but it's good. It's good to do. It's good enough. Here's some of your referral links you can use. But like I said, the great thing is the advertisement. You got to remember, inside of here, Crypto Pros, this is a buyer's market. Everybody in here is money making online people that want to make money online, that are making money online. I've seen ads that get me looking. I mean, you think you've seen it all until you get on here and you're like, well, I don't know what that is. And you'll click on it. It's interesting. So everybody in here is a potential buyer. So this is a very, very warm market. So let me show you my sponsor, Frank Calabro Jr. This was 3 hours ago. In 12 days, he put in originally $64 worth of ad packs. And he's almost at $5,000 in 12 days. So enough said. But let's see. But yes, like I said, you come in here, get under me. I will add you to this group. Great group to be in. Learn a lot. We got some big timers in here, guys. So if you're interested, like I said, if you're interested, it would be really great if you did know something about Bitcoin and crypto. But if you know absolutely nothing, but you're very interested, contact me. We'll get you in here and get you started. Whatever you do, under this video in the description, I'm going to have the link to this. There'll also, in this link, there's also going to be another video that explains it even better than what I did, because I know this is my first video on this. I got to get a little more familiar with everything, and I can do the videos will be a whole lot better. But the link below is going to have another video that explains this a whole lot better. Just go there, get in, and start a free account. At least do a free account. When you come in, you'll be under me as free, and I can contact you. You contact me, and we'll see what we're going to do here. If you need to be paid in, I can do that for you, and I could send you this over about what we need to do every week to get this rolling. So. And if you got something to advertise, even better. If you don't have anything to advertise, but you're interested in this, I can help you out. I can get you something to advertise, get you something, some kind of an affiliate product going where you can make money with that also. So, that being said, guys, I hope you have a great day. Again, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you didn't already know, my YouTube channel is mainly about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, making money from home. And if that interests you, if you would, I would appreciate if you'd subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you got some kind of value out of this today. And hope you have a great weekend. So you guys take care. And again, the link below this video, click that. Start as a free member at least. Get in there and get under me so we can get you positioned. Okay? All right. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.